How to sign up Qatar Airways. So if you want to sign up to Qatar Airways, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Qatar Airways. And after searching, go for the first search, which is www.qatarairways.com. And now you can go for the upper right corner of this website, which has this login or sign up option. Click on that. And now you can go for create a new account. And now you can click on create a new account. And then scroll down. And from here you can create your account. You can create your account using your Facebook, your Google, or by this form. So if you want to enter this form, this whole form, then you can enter it with your email address, or you can also simply create your account by your Google or your Facebook. It will be more easier. So you can click on Google, and then you can choose your account and click on continue. So this will link everything. So I'll be entering my email address. First enter your email address, and then you have to type a password, and then retype your password, like re-enter your password, and then your country code and your mobile number. And after entering your country code and your mobile number, here you have to enter your personal details. So simply click on the drop down bar and then choose your title. And here you have to enter your name, your first, your middle, and your last name as per your passport, and then your date of birth and your gender, and then you have to enter your country of residence and your enrollment promo code. But if you don't have that, just simply leave it because that's optional. And then if you want to receive some news and offers from Qatar Airways, then click on this and then click on the Privilege Club partners, and then click on this box so that you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And click on I'm not a robot, and then click on join now. So that's it. That's how you create your account. And now to activate your account, you need to open up your mail. And after opening that, you can have this mail right from Qatar Airways. Click on verify email address. And that's it. Your email address has been verified successfully. And now you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you create Qatar Airways account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.